The Starship launch mount would have been an incredible achievement in elegant engineering, if it worked. Now it, and the launch tower next to it, are a sunk cost SpaceX is unwilling to reconsider. On YouTube, you can find some of NASA's videos about the construction of the Kennedy Space Center launch pads for Apollo and the Space Shuttle. Those are examples of the opposite of a minimalist engineering approach. Both were made for manned spaceflight and to minimize the risk of failure, even if it cost a lot and took a lot of time. To, for example, build a concrete base and flame trench on built-up mound in what had been a sandy swamp in Florida. Of course, it's a desirable goal to avoid all that time and effort. But what if it's unavoidable when you're making a rocket twice as powerful as anything that came before? What if you then persist in only pursuing solutions that preserve the value of what you have built, no matter the odds of success? That is the sunk costs fallacy. It gets worse. How do you make thousands of very smart engineers and scientists fall for the sunk costs fallacy? An autocratic management style helps, but it's not enough to make smart people do dumb things. You need contradictory requirements, like, for example, make it cheap enough to launch tens of thousands of low Earth orbit satellites, make it big enough for groundbreaking manned space exploration and scientific missions, and even big enough to colonize Mars, and then throw in some minor requirements like turnaround time in less than a day. Top it off by firing some people who disagree, and there you go.